Hello and welcome to FinanceWalk. In this video, we are going to see annual reports analysis part 3. In earlier videos, we have checked income statement, balance sheet, cash flow analysis, and how to read footnotes. In this chapter, we will cover director's report, management discussion and analysis, that is MDA, auditor's report, and shareholding pattern. These four pointers are very important in any annual report. Apart from financial statements, director's report, management discussion and analysis, qualification in auditor's report, and shareholding pattern will give you, as an equity research analyst, a very good understanding of company standing. Okay, so let's start with director's report. What to look for in director's report? You need to read carefully these points in director's report. First is financial results. Okay, then any merger or acquisition or amalgamation, then appropriations, dividends or transfer to general reserves. If there is any change in capital structure, then appointment and retirement of directors, subsidiary and consolidated financial statements, employee stock options or ESOPs, director's responsibility statement, corporate governance, and conservation of energy, technology absorption, foreign exchange used and earned. These are the details you will find in any director's report of any company. And with this, let's move to next part, that is management discussion and analysis, MDA. It's very important to see industry analysis and structure, and you get an idea of the particular industry when you look at a management discussion and analysis of any company's annual report. Okay, MDA will contain these pointers: industry structure and developments. Okay, as I pointed out, basically if you are looking at industry analysis or you want to know any particular industry, read at least 3 to 4 reports of that particular industry. For example, if you are analyzing IT industry, in that case check management discussion and analysis of at least 3 to 4 companies like Wipro, Infosys, Satyam, Cognizant. Okay. So in MDA you will find industry structure and developments. That is, first is current status across the major markets of the world where the company operates. So you will first get an idea of current status of the industry. Second, potential of the industry. Okay, so what's growth potential of the industry? Third is key drivers to the growth of the industry, on which drivers the particular growth prospects are dependent. Okay. Then companies' competitive strengths, for example, strong management team or enhanced value chain, or whether the company is market leader. So you will understand these points from management discussion and analysis. Next point you will get from companies risks and concerns. Okay. Companies and risk concerns, like for example, risks like regulatory, competition, foreign exchange, and risk related to acquisitions. Look at for example management discussion and analysis of Reliance. So you'll find MDA in Reliance annual report. So you will read different types of risk the company faces in MDA. Okay. Third point is outlook and strategic focus. Okay, so what you will understand from management discussion and analysis of that company is outlook and strategic focus. What's the outlook of a particular industry or company, and internal cost control systems? Okay, so these are the crucial points, or I would say strategic points, while analyzing any industry, and you will find these in management discussion and analysis. Fourth point is financial performance. Financial performance, for example, share capital, reserves, fixed assets, investments, sales, depreciation and profit. So you want to see a snapshot or more details about financial performance, you will see at one place in management discussion and analysis. Okay, all right. So let's move to next point, that is auditor's report. Auditor's report, in auditor's report you will find auditor's qualifications. So what are auditor's qualification? Auditor's qualification is not related to career, it is related to the understanding and observation he has come across about company. Okay. So auditor's qualification includes the term subject to, and it's very important. Issues like, so let's see qualification examples. Issues like under provision of depreciation, non-provision of doubtful debt. So if company has not made appropriate provision for depreciation or non-provision of doubtful debt, you will find it in auditor's report. Second is for example, L&T in 1985-86, if you see the report, no provision had been made in the accounts in respect of liability for future payment of gratuity to certain employees of the company. Gross rupees 130.10 lakhs. So this is a very good observation in auditor's report. So has the provision made, the effect would have been as follows. The profit would be lower by rupees 13.67 lakhs. Reserves would be lower by rupees 65.07 lakhs. And the current liabilities and provisions would be higher by rupees 65.05 lakhs. So since the company has not made or paid this gratuity, this is the effects it would take on company's financial statements. So look at auditor's report very carefully. Okay. Now after auditor's report, it is very important to look at shareholding pattern. Okay. Now shareholding pattern consists of following investors. First is promoter and promoter group. In promoter and promoter group, you will find Indian and foreign promoter group. In shareholding pattern statement, you will find public shareholding also. So public shareholding includes institutions, that is mutual funds, UTI, FIs, banks and FIIs, that is foreign institutional investors, and insurance companies. And the second part would be non-institutions, that is bodies corporate, individuals, NRIs, OCBs and trusts. So this is about second part of shareholding pattern. Third is shares held by custodians and against which depository receipts have been issued. I repeat, shares held by custodians and against which depository receipts have been issued. So this is about shareholding pattern. With this, we conclude analyzing annual reports module. Here we have seen how to analyze or how to read income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, then footnotes, then director's report, auditor's report, management discussion and analysis. So these all statements and reports are very important in annual reports. So as an equity research analyst, make an effort to read all the information in annual reports and at least read 3 to 4 years annual report about any company before you start analyzing that company.